Hello everybody, Chef Archie Pie here. Welcome to my latest video clip. I'm going to be making Italian sausage today. Someone's trying to touch the wine. Can you put it back please? Thank you. My friend is from Italy and he tells me about these fabulous Italian dishes using Italian sausage. I can't buy it, so I said, let's make some, shall we? Okay, let's crack on and look at what we need. I'll be needing some onion granules or onion powder. Then I need some thyme, some sage, some oregano, some finely chopped fresh rosemary. I've got some chili flakes in the middle. And then the big pile is a combination of cracked fennel and black pepper. I've got some minced garlic and some salt and some flat leaf parsley and some lovely paprika. And I've got some free-range pork mince or free-range ground pork. We'll also need a couple of tablespoons of red wine. So the fennel and the black pepper, we need to toast those first. They will give us much more flavour than if we didn't. So toast the fennel seeds and the peppercorns. And let's crack on with the dish. In my bowl, I've got my ground mince, if you're from the States, or ground pork rather, if you're from the States, or minced pork, if you're from the UK. In goes a couple of tablespoons of delightful red wine. Any red wine, whatever you have by you. This is sausage. We're making Italian sausage, so you can use Chianti, you can use Valpolicella, whatever you fancy. Okay, I'm going to pop in the wet ingredients, some minced garlic, some salt, some fresh flat leaf parsley, some paprika. Some people will use sweet paprika, some people use slightly spicy paprika. I'm using just regular paprika on this occasion. I'm going to pop in my herbs and spices now, involving sage, thyme, rosemary, oregano, chili, fennel, black pepper, and onion powder. And now it's time to mix it all in, so you'll need to get your hands in now. As a gauge, I always mix it really well for a couple of minutes. And once it's mixed in, that is essentially the whole point of what we're doing today. We're just making Italian sausage. There's a multitude of different things you can do with it. You'll notice my hands have got that colour because of the paprika. You can do meatballs, patties. You can use it for pasta sauces. You can make this wonderful southern Italian Calabrian lasagna that I hear so much about, that I intend to make very soon. But this is a prepared meat that we have made, and it's used in a host of authentic Italian dishes. I personally can't wait to try it, so I'm going to fry a little bit of it. And I'm going to pop it in the pan, there we are, and I'm going to taste it, and I will tell you something, it is fantastic. It's a little tiny bit spicy, and it's got lots of different things going on, but it's a really wonderful ingredient to use for any of the Italian dishes that you fancy making that involve something called Italian sausage. So that's it everybody. May I ask, if you like my videos, would you share, like, subscribe, or even press the notification bell to learn of my next video offering. This is Chef Archie Pie saying do take care of yourselves, sending lots of love, and I'll see you soon.